The next example on type 2, that is the d square y divided by dx square plus 3 dy by dx plus 2y is equal to 4 cos square x. This d square y by dx square we have to write in the form of d plus 3d plus 2 into y is equal to 4 cos square x. First we have to take the auxiliary equation to find the YC. M square plus 3m plus 2 is equal to 0. Now we have to find the roots. By multiplying we want 2 and add and subtract we want 3. M square plus 2m plus m plus 2 is equal to 0. Take a m common. M plus 2. Take a 1 common. M plus 2 is equal to 0. The roots are m plus 1, m plus 2 is equal to 0. Means m is equal to minus 1, m is equal to minus 2. Now by using these roots, write the YC. The roots are different, e to the power minus x plus c2 e to the power minus 2x. Now you have to find the YP. Before finding the YP, see the RHS. The RHS we want only in the linear form. The linear means the cos or sine terms we want in the degree of 1. But here cos square is there. That's why this cos square we have to take in the form of linear. That is 1 plus cos 2x divided by 2. 4 is multiplied with this. Multiply 4 cos square x is equal to 4 1 plus cos 2x divided by 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are. Means this we have to write 1 plus cos 2x into 2. This you have to replace the RHS. Now we have to write a YP. YP is nothing but 4 cos square x we have to replace with 2 plus 2 cos 2x divided by d square plus 3d plus 2. Here also you have to separate the terms because in between plus is there. 2 divided by d square plus 3d plus 2 plus 2 cos 2x divided by d square plus 3d plus 2. This we call it as a P1 plus P2. Let P1. See, the P1 term is having the numerator only the 2. Here no trigonometric terms are there. Whenever trigonometric terms are there, then only you can apply the type 2. Here only 2 is there, that is a constant. If we consider e to the power 0x, means e exponential term is having the power of 0, that value become a 1. That's why 2 into e to the power 0x divided by d square plus 3d plus 2. Means here you have to apply type 1. Because whenever you will get the exponential term, that become first type. That d you have to replace it as a. That is 0. Whenever you are having a d term, that become a 0 is equal to 2 e to the power 0x divided by 0, 0 plus 2. 2 e to the power 0x divided by 2. 2 get cancelled, e to the power 0x is 1. Means P1 value is 1. Now P2. 2 cos 2x divided by d square plus 3d plus 2. Here the trigonometric terms are there. The d square you have to replace it as a minus a square. What is a minus a square? Minus 4. 2 cos 2x divided by minus 4 plus 3d plus 2 is equal to 2 cos 2x divided by 3d minus 2. Again we got the denominator term as a d. In a type 2, we want d square. That's why take again the conjugative term 2 cos 2x divided by 3d minus 2. Conjugative term of this denominator is 3d plus 2. 3d plus 2. Only the middle sign you have to change. Now multiply with this 6d cos 2x plus 4 cos 2x. A plus b, a minus b. 9d square minus 4. Here you have to replace d square as a minus 4. D indicates differentiation. 6 minus 2 sin 2x plus 4 cos 2x divided by 9 into 4 minus 4 is equal to minus 12 sin 2x plus 4 cos 2x minus 36 minus 4 is equal to minus 12 sin 2x plus 4 cos 2x divided by minus 40. This is a P2. Now our YP become YP is equal to P1 plus P2. P1 we got as a 1. That 1 only you have to write. P2 is minus 12 sin 2x plus 4 cos 2x divided by minus 40. This is a YP. Now general solution you have to write in the form of y is equal to yc plus yp. The compulsory you have to write yc and plus yp term to get the general solution. Another one example is d square plus 4 into y is equal to sin square x. First we have to take a auxiliary equation because they are already given in the form of d. M square plus 4 is equal to 0. M square is equal to minus 4. M is equal to plus or minus 2i. Now we have to write the yc is c1 cos 2x because p term is a 0 here. Only we are getting a q term. C2 sin 2x. Now we have to find a yp. Yp is sin square x. The RHS divided by d square term. See, the trigonometric term is there. That is not in a linear form. Sin square is there. That's why you have to replace sin square term in the form of 1 minus cos 2x divided by 2. In the place of sin square, you have to take the 1 minus cos 2x by 2. Because the RHS of the trigonometric term, we want a linear form. That's why. 1 by 2, 1 minus cos 2x divided by d square plus 4. 1 by 2 we can take outside. 1 divided by d square plus 4 minus cos 2x divided by d square plus 4. Now here this we can write P1 minus P2 term. First we have to take a P1. As already we solved the previous example, the numerator is having a 1 or a constant terms. That time you have to take e to the power 0x d square plus 4. Here you have to apply type 1 is equal to e to the power 0x d, you have to replace it as a, that is 0. It become 4, means 1 by 4. This is a P1. Now we have to take a P2. P2 is cos 2x divided by d square plus 4. Here, this is a type 2. In a type 2, we have to replace d square as a minus a square. That is minus 4. Cos 2x divided by minus 4 plus 4. The denominator you got 0 is equal to. If the denominator is 0, multiply x cos 2x, differentiate the denominator 2d. Again d we got multiply and divide d. X, differentiation of cos 2x divided by 2d square. X, differentiation of cos is minus 2 sin 2x divided by 2 d square. Again we have to replace it as a minus 4. Minus 4 means this minus get cancelled, this 2 get cancelled. Our P2 become x sin 2x divided by 4. After getting the P2, this P1 minus P2 you have to substitute in a YP. YP is equal to 1 by 2. P1 is 1 by 4 minus P2 is x sin 2x divided by 4. General solution become y is equal to yc plus yp. Write the yc term plus yp term, then only it will complete the solution. One more example. Solve d cube y divided by dx cube plus y is equal to 65 cos 2x plus 1. This we have to write in the form of d cube plus 1 into y is equal to 65 cos 2x plus 1. Now take the auxiliary equation. M cube plus 1 is equal to 0. This is a cubic equation. If you want, you can solve in the form of synthetic division. Otherwise, you can apply the formula. If we apply the formula, a cube plus b cube is equal to a plus b, a square minus ab plus b square formula you have to apply. Here it become m cube plus 1 cube is equal to m plus 1 m square minus m plus 1 is equal to 0. Therefore, m plus 1 is equal to 0 means m is equal to minus 1. Another form, m square minus m plus 1 is equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation. We have to simplify. Apply the formula. Minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. This become plus or minus minus 3 divided by 2. This is plus or minus square root of root 3i divided by 2. Means here we got one root and here we got two roots. Means cubic equation we have to get the three roots. Now we have to write the yc. First we have to write this one, e to the power minus x plus 1 by 2 is a p term, e to the power 1 by 2x. C2 cos root 3 by 2 x plus C3 sin root 3 by 2 x. This is a yc. Now you have to find a yp. Yp is equal to RHS term you have to write in the numerator and f of d term you have to write in the denominator, d cube plus 1. Here The second type condition is only you have to replace the d square term. Here d cube term is there, you can't replace. That's why this you have to write 65 cos 2x plus 1. This d cube we have to replace it as a d into d square plus 1. D square, you have to replace it as a minus a square. This minus a square, this a is nothing but the coefficient of x term. The cos 2x, x coefficient is 2, this we considered as a. Means here it become minus 4 is equal to 65 cos 2x plus 1 divided by d into minus 4 plus 1. 65 cos 2x plus 1 minus 4d plus 1. Again we got a d term. Then you have to multiply the conjugative term of this as minus 4d minus 1. This become 65 minus 4. Differentiation of cos become minus 2 sin 2x plus 1 minus 65 cos 2x plus 1 divided by minus 4d whole square minus 1 square. This we have to simplify. 65, 4 into 2 is 8, minus minus become plus, sin 2x plus 1 minus 65 cos 2x plus 1 divided by 16d square minus 1. Now we got a d square term. That d square term we have to replace. Sin 2x plus 1 minus 65 we are taking a common, cos 2x plus 1 divided by, here you have to replace d square as a minus 4. 16 into minus 4 minus 1. 65 8 sin 2x plus 1 minus cos now the value become 16 into 4. Minus 1 is 65. The minus 65. Again this get cancelled. The yp become 8. The minus we can take here. 8 sin 2x plus 1 minus cos 2x plus 1. Therefore, the general solution become y is equal to yc plus yp. The compulsory you have to write the complementary function with a particular integral to get the general solution. This is a fifth example of type 2.